Are you eating snow?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you sure? Oh yeah, that's nice. I'm making a video right now.
You better.
Yeah, alright, post it on Facebook later.
My mouth.
Look at the saw.
Hey, look at her face.
My
Dude.
mouth. My mouth is frozen.
Don't eat the brown snow.
Tommy, come here. See this one little
Saw in
piece?
your hand. I'm trying to go there.
See this one little
Come on, Tom, get the one little piece.
Oh, wait a minute. I look like I got it right. I thought I didn't get it. I did get it.
Oh man, you should have never chopped that.
Ryan is cut off from scratch offs.
Did Ryan do that?
No, it was a tree. It was a tree.
Bird landed on it.
Wink, wink.
He did a number on this tree.
Oh yeah,
I'll have to send him a bill.
Way to go, Hector.
yeah. Way to go, Spectre.
I just can't be choosy though. He did me a favor. That's all I care.
So is that it? Say hi to your sister. She'll be watching this later. Susie.
Ryan, did you throw snow at that tree while I was standing underneath it?
No. Yeah, it was a sparrow actually that landed up there.
That blue and white invisible person.
Yeah.